Hey guys, it's Tamika Lynn. Welcome back. If you are new here, I thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, I so appreciate the support. I love all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I love handbags, so I do a lot of handbag reviews. If those are things that interest you, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting on? And while you're at it, hit that bell notification so that you're aware each and every time I upload a new video. So guys, if you haven't saw my last unboxing video, I'm gonna link it below. Go back and watch that video because today's video is a follow-up to that video. In my last video, I unboxed the beautiful Tabby 20 in the color Dark Ruby. She is such a beauty. And in today's video, we are gonna see what fits inside. So guys, when I went in the store, just full transparency, they had a wallet that matched this purse perfectly, and I'll insert a photo. It was like a little coin zipper type wallet, absolutely beautiful. And it was maybe like $98 or $100. I heavily debated on buying it because I am such a SLG, smaller they're good. I'm such a SLG girl, and I love to have items that match. Like that's just my thing. Like I have so many SLGs, they just make my heart sing. But while I was in the store, I actually talked myself out of buying that wallet. I said, Tamika, you have so many wallets that you could use for this purse that will be fine. It does not have to be Coach, and it will still be fine. So I did not buy that wallet, and I walked away kind of proud of myself that I was able to resist another SLG. But in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys like multiple options for this bag. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing I would say is the phone, right? So this is I wanna say maybe this is a 12. This is my daughter's phone. I'm just using it for purposes of this video. But there is a back pocket on the Tabby 20. And then on the inside, there's two interior pockets. And then there is a front pocket that has a magnetic closure. So the first thing I would say is the cell phone, trying to see where that would fit. So in this back pocket, I do think it would fit, right? It's a little snug, I think, but it would work. I would be a little afraid of stretching the leather. So I'm not really sure if I would keep it in the back pocket, but it's definitely an option. And if you have a smaller cell phone, it might work a little better. But for me personally, I would be afraid of damaging the leather, stretching it too much. So I probably would not put my cell phone in this back pocket, but rather I would put it in one of the two pockets right here. Now, next, wallets. So I have a few different options. I literally went upstairs and got like just multiple options for wallets to show you guys that would, I feel like would possibly work for this purse. So the first one is this beautiful Gucci wallet, and it just has a button closure and there's a few card slots. I unboxed this a couple months ago. I bought this while we were in Hawaii. So I'll link that video down below as well in case you want to take a peek at that. But this wallet I thought would look good against this ruby red color. So the first thing I'll do is insert the wallet, and then I would probably use like some type of catch-all type, like for coins or maybe additional cards, and I would probably use a key clay. So if you are familiar with the key clay, it does have, which I always keep stuffed inside, it does have a keychain attached to it. And I'm currently using this one for change, and I have a few dollars in this one. So I would probably also utilize some type of small SLG or smaller SLG to hold additional items. So that's how we're looking right now. Wallet, key clay, cell phone. I still need a spot for my keys, right? So my keys could probably go in this little pocket right here, but that pretty much takes up most of the space. This very front pocket, not sure what exactly would fit in there because it's not a whole lot of space that's left, but the purse does still close. So first option, simply cell phone, key clay, and a wallet. Now, I do think you could get away with not putting your cell phone in the purse. A lot of people will hold their cell phones in their hand or put their cell phone in their back pocket. I'm guilty of that a lot. So if you don't put your cell phone in the purse, it definitely will afford you more space. So the next thing I'm gonna try is zippy coin purses. So I brought both of these. So this one is the jumbo print, and this was from the latest remix denim collection that came out earlier this year. I absolutely love the zippy coin wallet. I have a few of these. I just feel like they are so functional. Great grab and go wallet. There's multiple card slots. There is a middle compartment that you can put additional cards, but there's really not a place to keep change if you're somebody that carries change. Where I live downtown, the meters still accept coins, so I often travel with change. So I would have to utilize some other option in addition to this for me personally in my lifestyle. The other one, the remix, same idea, same makeup, is just a different color and material. But I absolutely love the zippy coin wallets. They are probably like in my top 5 SLGs from Louis Vuitton. So I personally feel like the denim would look good against this red. Or, you know, if we were just going traditional monogram, I could do that too. So let's say we're gonna use the denim zippy coin. I also have the denim key clay. And like I told you guys, the key clay comes with that key holder, right? So you can attach keys to the key holder. I seldomly attach my keys. Every once in a while I will do it, but I seldomly attach my keys. So if I'm taking the zippy coin, I would probably also be carrying the key clay because I would keep change in this. So let's put that in there. And then I want to see if a mini pochette would work. So this is in Damier Ebene. This one is empty, but it has red interior. And of course, you know, the mini pochette has a little strap attached to it. So I'm curious to see if it will even fit. So let's do some rearranging. I'm gonna put the 2 wallets in the front slot, and I'll put the key or the mini pochette in the back slot. With items in it, I don't think that's really gonna work. So I would probably, I don't know, find another option to hold like some sanitizer or lip gloss, things of that sort. I probably wouldn't keep it in the purse by itself. I would find some type of little bag or something to put it in, but a mini pochette, it's not gonna work. It's too big. I do have my purse that I'm currently carrying is right next to me, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But I normally carry my AirPods in this Kirigami. So this is part of the Kirigami set. They come in 3. This one was a limited edition release. I want to say it was like it wasn't by the pool. I'll find the name and I'll put it down below. I can't remember the name of this collection that this came from, but this was the smallest of the mini pochettes, or of the Kirigami, sorry. And I do use it for my AirPods. I do have an insert in it because I did buy a set of 3 inserts because I use those other 2 Kirigamis. I'll add a strap to them and turn them into a crossbody, so that's why I have an insert with this one. I can definitely add my AirPods, the wallet, the key clay. My keys would fit right here, and probably, you know, some lip gloss, chapstick, sanitizer. Again, don't really feel like there's anything to put in this front pocket unless I just wanted to move the key clay to the front pocket. We could do that. but I definitely feel as if I wouldn't want to overstuff this purse. There's not a lot that's gonna fit easily, you know, without it possibly being an issue with the leather. I just don't want to stretch the leather too much. The only other wallet I brought down is the Recto Versa, and this is more like a card holder. It's much thinner than like the zippy coin, so it's a bit longer though, but it's very thin. I thought this would be a good option as well. Similar to the key clay, it also has a key holder on it, or key charm, so you can add that. This card holder or wallet, whichever one you want to call it, it has a front pocket, it has this middle zipper, and then there's some back card slots. And I do like this a lot. I used to use this very often. I just haven't used it in a while. So let's see, using that, adding my AirPods back. Let's put the AirPods next to the wallet. And I just want to try something. Yeah, that's not gonna fit, so I'm not even gonna waste my time showing you guys. And I would probably add back, like I said, I'll add back the key clay. And then I can also add the phone. So I have the Recto Versa wallet, the Kirigami, the key clay in the center, and then my phone. So that would work. But personally, I would probably keep it very light when I'm carrying this. I can definitely see me taking this purse for date night, or like running errands, like hanging out, going to lunch with some friends. So I would probably definitely not overstuff this purse. I have a card holder. I would probably more than likely just use like a smart card holder in this purse. It's not the same burgundy. So this is more like burgundy. This is truly like a red. So it's not the same color, but it coordinates. So I would definitely probably only use like a card holder. I would definitely keep my AirPods. I would use some type of something to capture like money and coins. And then other than that, I would probably just use my phone inside the purse. And I would keep it simple as that. So 3 items plus the phone and my keys, of course, and I would be on my way. So me personally, I would probably keep it light. I wouldn't overstuff this baby at all, especially for the purposes that I would be using it for. So I hope that helps you guys somewhat. Looking at her, I feel like, oh, she would have held a lot, but in all actuality, she won't hold as much. But since it's leather, you can definitely stretch it. I just personally don't want to do that. I'm so upset though that I can't fit like a toiletry 15 or a mini pochette in her, because this is like my lifeline, but it doesn't fit. So you can't force it. It does not fit. But I hope you guys have found this somewhat helpful, especially if you are thinking about going Tabby 20. I feel like there's you know, multiple options for you right now at the Coach store, in both the Tabby, and there's other models also. So if you were debating against like a Tabby 20 versus 26, now you have a better idea of what would fit in the smaller version. So maybe if you carry more items, you would need to lean towards the bigger version. My purse today, since it's sitting right here, I'll show you guys, and let me just put my stuff back in it. But my bag today is Old Faithful, my reverse monogram Matisse. This is absolutely one of my favorite bags in my collection. I carry her often. Such a carefree bag. Doesn't matter, rain, snow, it doesn't matter. She's gonna be okay. She has leather handle, a little leather tab right here, and then the rest of the bag is this reverse monogram. So the back has the reverse monogram. right here has regular traditional monogram, and then you can see the reverse monogram in like the accordion type thing. I love this bag. She's my favorite. She just goes so well with so many things, and I love black, as you can see, so she coordinates well. And then what I'm currently carrying, I'm carrying a leather wallet. Don't remember the name of this wallet, so I would have to add the name down below, but it has card slots on both sides. You could put cards underneath, and then it also has a spot for bills. So, oh, and it has a spot for coins. So I've been carrying this wallet for quite a while. I haven't swapped out in a while. And then of course my AirPods, and then my toiletry 15, and then I have some Tylenol. And in this bag, I normally carry my phone in this back zipper, and it works well for me. So if you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up and hit that follow button if you haven't already. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe.